Alright, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of making money using AI. But don't worry, we'll make it fun and entertaining along the way. Let's start with building AI applications. Now, this might seem like a daunting task, but with a little bit of programming knowledge and some creativity, you can create all sorts of wacky AI inventions. For example, you could create a chatbot that speaks in emojis, or a recommendation engine that only suggests movies with talking animals. The crazier your AI application, the more attention it will get, and the more money you can potentially make. But why stop at just one AI application? Why not create a whole lineup of AI-powered products? You could create an AI-powered fridge that automatically orders your groceries, or an AI-powered coffee maker that knows exactly how you like your coffee. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you're not a coding wizard, don't worry. You can still make money using AI by becoming an AI consultant. Think of yourself as the AI version of a life coach. You can help businesses automate their processes and save time, all while wearing a fancy suit and a pair of AI-powered sunglasses. Just don't forget to charge them extra for the sunglasses. And if you're not into consulting, you can still make money by investing in AI-related stocks. There are plenty of companies that are focused on AI, like Nvidia, Alphabet, and Amazon. Just do your research and invest wisely. Who knows, maybe your investment will pay off, and you'll be able to retire on a yacht that's powered by AI. But if you're looking for a more hands-on approach to making money using AI, why not participate in AI competitions? These competitions are like the Hunger Games, but with algorithms instead of arrows. You can compete for cash prizes, bragging rights, and a chance to be crowned the AI champion of the world. Just make sure you don't accidentally create a superintelligent AI that takes over the world. That would put a real damper on your winnings. And last but not least, you can make money by teaching others about AI. But let's be real, who wants to sit through a boring lecture on AI? Spice it up by dressing up as a robot and using robot voices to explain complex AI concepts. Trust me, your students will be so entertained that they won't even realize they're learning. But why stop at just teaching others about AI? You could also create online courses, write books, or even offer one-on-one tutoring. The demand for AI education is growing, and if you have expertise in AI, you can make a significant amount of money. In conclusion, making money using AI can be both lucrative and fun. Whether you're building wacky AI applications, consulting with businesses, investing in AI-related stocks, competing in AI competitions, or teaching others about AI, there are plenty of ways to make money in the world of AI. So go forth and explore all the possibilities that AI has to offer.